everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Windows Shift plus S not working. So let's get started. First of all, simply right click on the Start button, then select Settings. Once Settings opens up, on your left hand side, simply look for Accessibility option, tap onto it. Scroll down to Interaction section and then tap on Keyboard. Now here you will be able to find an option, Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Right over here, you need to toggle this feature on. This allows your print screen key to open the snipping tool, which helps fix issue with Shift plus S not working. Also, some gaming keyboard have Windows lock key button. If the lock is turned on, shortcuts like Windows Shift plus S might not be working. So check your keyboard for Windows lock button and make sure it's turned off. That's it. After enabling print screen option and turning off Windows lock, Windows Shift plus S should start working again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.